Sorry. It's number one for rideshare cars. We are in room 1224. Very small, but cozy. Look at that. There's so much stuff too. And then this is the wet room. You just press the green button and it will fill the tub for 4 minutes. You don't even have to worry about it. See, it's a wet room. You wash and then soak. The closet is actually big. In the drawer here, there's bathrobes. They're all empty. We did stop by 7-Eleven and got some drinks. Bread waffle bits. This is our hotel room view at night. Right there is the Tokyo Tower. We're gonna go there tomorrow. Good morning. Go, 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 go. Alright, we're gonna go there to have some beef. We're gonna go right there. I got the medium set. He got the premium Wagyu set with the matcha soda. This is showing how you eat it. You put the katsu on top here, warm it up, and then dip and eat. And here's the onsen egg. We are in Harajuku Street. My fan's making mad noise again. I'm gonna get that one. It's a mini peak cafe. So many. We found the anime goods store. Big. Gonna get this. It's a whole space.
No, are they the same? Really? Keep the Shibuya style. Wait, it's not Hagen first. Yeah. I'll tell you right now. It's arigato gozaimasu. Oh, screw it.
The coffee is so bitter, I'm adding vanilla ice cream in it. We finally in Akihabara right now. We're gonna go to the gacha store soon.
I should have picked something hard.
Stop.
It was art class.
Wow.
じゃあレッツもいもい Q 見ては
Why, why, cute.
You did it already?
Why, why, And then shake it.
The other way, no? Yeah. It's good, it's good. It's good, so you keep it.
What does it say?
It's good. I tell you later, but it's good, so keep it. $57. Oh, it's good too. It's good too.
Show. It's in the back.
Regular.
Regular. We're both regular fortune.
Yeah, where they have.
Oh, I just went to a random one in New York.
That was good.
Layer by layer.
I can't even like see through. So it's like everything is
Going.
You can't even see the crossing here, it's so high. The crossing's over there.
There's the Tokyo Tower.
Hi everyone, today on Abe's Vlogs, we're going over the Mississippi River.
Cheers. Diet Coke. Tequila.
This is the secondhand shop. Each floor is different brands. We also went to KYOTO. We're gonna go there for the pop-up.
This one okay. I think this one okay. I want to try and see.
Okay, maybe. I got patcher. We're looking for dinner. Never seen a miso bowl this big. Like, look at that. My hand just looks so small. Hey! Oh, it's climbing! Oh my god! Oh! Hello!
If you know, you know.
I have 3. This one is struggling to get in.
You gotta extend your
We were like basement through level 3 and we had to go all the way up.
So it was like 12, it was really like 12.
Was it nice though?
I found the can make key charm. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3. See, it looks like a blush. Here, right, this one.